Vernier Callipers. It is a length measuring device used to measure length up to 1/10 of millimeter. As shown in figure. Parts of Vernier Callipers. Vernier Callipers has following main parts. As shown in following figure. Number 1. Main scale. As shown in figure. Number 2. Vernier scale. As shown in figure. Number 3. Upper jaws. As shown in figure. Number 4. Lower jaws. As shown in figure. Number 5. A stem. As shown in figure. Uses of Vernier Callipers. Number 1. We can measure internal diameter with the help of upper jaws. Number 2. We can measure external diameter with the help of lower jaws. Number 3. We can measure the depth of a body with the help of stem. Least count. The smallest reading that can be taken with the help of an instrument is called its least count. As shown. The meter rule has smallest reading 1 mm. That is why its least count is 1 mm. Least count of Vernier Callipers. It can be defined as the difference between one small division on main scale and one small division on Vernier scale is 0.1 mm. It is called Vernier constant or least count of Vernier Callipers. Its formula is least count is equal to smallest reading on main scale divided by number of division of on Vernier scale. That is equal to 1 mm divided by 10. Least count is equal to 0.1 mm or equal to 0.01 cm. Zero error of Vernier Callipers. It can be defined as the difference between zero line of main scale and zero line of Vernier scale is called zero error. As shown in figure. Types of error. There are two types of zero error. Number 1 positive zero error and number 2 negative zero error. Positive zero error. The error will be positive if zero line of Vernier scale is on the right side of the zero line of main scale. As shown in figure. Negative zero error. The zero error will be negative if zero line of Vernier scale is on the left side of zero line of main scale. As shown in figure. How to calculate the positive zero error. In the given figure, the sixth division is coinciding, so zero error is equal to plus 6 into least count centimeter. That is equal to plus 6 into 0.01 centimeter. Is equal to plus 0.06 centimeter. Zero correction is equal minus 0.06 centimeter. How to calculate negative zero error. As shown in figure. The seventh line is coinciding with any line of main scale. Zero line of the Vernier scale is on the left side of zero line of main scale, so error is negative and calculated as zero error is equal to minus 10 minus 7 into least count. That is equal to minus 3 into 0.01 centimeter. That is equal to minus 0.03 centimeter. The zero correction is equal to plus 0.03 centimeter.